I said only if you give me brain, your boy is insane. You can ask my little brother Brian. You can ask my little brother Brian. We've been on the grind from back in the day. Back in the day we came. Back in the day, I said back in the day, I didn't even know what a packet or yay. Now I'm stuck in the cave. Shit, yes I'm packing away. I went country, then I stopped living the way. Then I fucking ate. Then I went jail, now I came out in 08. Then I got some flake, moved it. Then I got recalled and I went back cause it was bait. Now I'm back on the block, it's not too late. My mother told me it's never too late. Go bake your cake, you're great. Fucking hell, I'm a fucking king. Go eat, live like a fucking king. So I'm gonna move bricks and live like a fucking king. Me and all my family, all my little brothers, bare little gorillas I gotta look after. Shit, I'm the oldest, they all look up to me. So if it's a mad thing, they all ring me. They're like, come get me, it's a mad thing. Shit, I'm like, don't worry, I'll be there in a quick thing. Jump in a motor, ring couple goons, ring couple gorillas, jump out like goons on a mad thing, waving around tools, saying, who the fuck with my little brother? If you violate me, I'll kidnap your mother. It's not a mad thing, gangbanger.
If you violate the kid, we kidnapping mothers, and we don't give a fuck. We kidnap whoever, cause they're still tuck, and we ain't giving a fuck. Hit the blocks, they wanna know. Hit the blocks, the chicks wanna know. Hit the blocks, fence wanna know. So we step back, hitting the blow. Like fuck it, it's about that.
Came up from the dirt like a rose flower. She's out of her mind, that's that nose power.
So get ready.
You know I got that nose power. Flipping with that, listen.
Nose powder. Girls know, yes I got the powder. And it's not cooked, it's the power. It's not Bosch, it's not pressed. Come round, yes, you're gonna get pressed. Yes, I'll suck on your breast. But so not then I'll go to rest.
I hear you with the Smith and Wesson. Yeah, I'm in lesson. Yeah, I'm there for blessing. There for the time I'll be blessing. Yeah, you ain't down.
Right.
Holding it up, holding it down. Yeah, giving what's big and around. Yeah, that's what I'm dealing bounce. Only bounce to bounce, yeah, we making them crowns, yeah. Make them look up like we showing all down, like, yeah, come right back again at ya. Yeah, that was our total flex at ya. Anyway, yo.
Free Murray, yeah, free Murray.
Sure.
Free the cover. Like, yeah. Look, spicy like curry. Skin